Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to withdraw your Dogecoin from Binance to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With the crypto world always evolving, securing your assets is more important than ever. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your Doge like a pro. Let's jump right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need a verified Binance account, your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet set up, and the Dogecoin app installed on it. If you're missing any of that, pause here and sort it out. It's crucial for security. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and head over to the Wallet section. From there, click on Withdraw to begin the process. Step 2. In the withdrawal page, search for Dogecoin and select it from the list. This will bring up the withdrawal form. Step 3. Now, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer and open the Dogecoin app on the device. You'll see your Dogecoin wallet address on the screen. Carefully copy it down. Remember, double-check this address because one wrong character could send your coins into the void. Step 4. Back on Binance, paste that address into the recipient address field. Then, enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw, making sure it's above the minimum limit, usually around 1 Doge, but check for updates in 2025. Step 5. Review all the details, including network fees and transaction speed. Enable two-factor authentication if prompted, then hit Confirm to finalize the withdrawal. Binance will send a confirmation email, so keep an eye on that. Step 6. Once the transaction is processed, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion, verify the Dogecoin has arrived in your Ledger Nano X by checking the Dogecoin app on the device. A quick word of caution: always use a secure internet connection for these steps, and never share your Ledger's seed phrase. Crypto security is key to avoiding scams in 2025. There you have it. That's how you safely withdraw Dogecoin from Binance to your Ledger Nano X. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.